So I got my stub cut for the drain for the shower. It's leveled. The floor is fairly level except for a couple spots. The base is kind of a little warped too. Typically what we would do is we would set this in, I'm just trying to see the angle. We would set this in a mortar bed, put some mortar down. I've done it with spray foam in a pinch, but really you should do it in mortar. It really gets rid of any squeaks and whatnot. Client does not want a mortar bed. That is the only reason why I'm doing it this way. It was like a specific request. I have no idea why. Anyways, so we're just gonna set it like this, and it will be fine. I've already tested it out. There's no squeaks, but still, if you're doing it, mortar bed. Okay, so we'll glue in our stub into the floor. We pre-measured, and then get this all glued up, ready to go. We'll set our base down. Okay. Sometimes you gotta stick your fingers in the drain just to move that pipe. Okay, that's the drain connection. Pre-drill through the flange, countersink it a bit, and shim any difference that we need to. Best to use stainless screws, just in case, because this is a wet location, and it just makes everything easier to take apart down the line if you need to. One thing I'm going to point out is that these this is an OB base that is designed for both an alcove and non-alcove installation, so this tile flange comes separate and you attach it after. I do not personally like these. I like it integrated into the base, but when I put these in, I put a bead of silicone and then they get screwed in from the backside to hold them in place. Screw it all. I like to do this while I'm inside it too, just so that